briefcase. Oh man. Cool. Hello and welcome, it's Kosh at Granite City RC. I presume that you've read the title so you know what this is. But what I've done is I've bought a briefcase which says Huina, or whatever you say, how it's said. Die-cast excavator. So, this is the first time I'm actually opening it. This is the full metal. It's heavy. The full metal alloy excavator. The was it 1580 or 580, depending on how you look at it. So, some sort of instructions, which, unlike Greedo, I'll read through that before going ahead. Some other amendment to it. If memory serves, this is version 4. Oh, it's upside down. That's not good. Right, we'll fix that. Yeah, this is quite a heavy piece of kit actually. But I kind of wanted to get into the construction side of things. I've been looking into it for a couple of years now. So what else have we got? Tiny battery. That's some fluid for a smoker, which is there. We've got USB charger. Do not eat, but don't throw away because they're useful. Keeping electronics moisture free, so save them. So we'll get this out and have a look at it. I suppose we'll get everything out first actually. So controller, I don't think it came with batteries. So I'll find some batteries to chuck in there, and I'll charge up the small battery at some point. Screwdriver. So you can certainly hear that's metal, all metal pieces. That's a little grabber piece there. I presume once we bolt it on, it'll be attached at both ends, so you don't need to worry about it being in two pieces. I hope. Slide it all back in there. Just want to quickly show you what you get in it. That was stuck in there somewhere. You go back in there. The rock hammer, which, to be honest, I think I've only ever seen one video with someone using this, so it's basically useless. But it's good to keep. I think I've seen some people have converted this into other things, like an actual drill attachments, just by replacing the housing. They must place a motor in there which just rotates. That's run off a power cable which comes onto the main boom, but put you back in there, and enough for the boring stuff. We'll get on. We'll get on with the good bit. Figure out how. Oh. I'm actually overly surprised as to how heavy it is. I mean, it's nice to have the carry case, but it's awkward as this to get in and out, so I think I'm going to leave it out and find a home for it somewhere. So how's that looking? Oh. Is that a little aerial sticking out of here somewhere? Metal tracks, metal arms, to be high-powered pieces there. I think there's the smoke unit under the back. Let's see, does this panel come off? Yeah, little smoke unit there. And this is a little housing for the battery, which is on some tiny connector. I have no idea, but that's probably going to get replaced at some point. From what I've read and seen, this smoke unit, don't bother with it, get that out, and you can fit a LiPo in there and give it a good run time instead of having, where is it, this, what are you in fact, 200 mAh, something, probably a LiPo 2 cells, so it's 7.4 volts anyway, so it takes 2 cells. But as I said, having something that small that's only going to last, from what I read, about 40 minutes. So again, we'll try and upgrade this as soon as we can. I'm still surprised by the size of everything and the weight. That is ace. So yeah, as far as I can see, that's all metal. The only bit of plastic, apart from the fake piping, is just that screen. That little handrail up the side. That one's metal. But oh, metal everything. You kind of feel around just. Yeah, the running tracks, that feels all metal. That is a solid piece of kit, that is. From what I understand, you've got total 360 rotation to it as well. But yeah, we'll get this charged, chuck it in there, and see what it can do. Okay, so I've opened up the remote. There is a screw holding it in place there, so just take that off. And we can get in 3 AA batteries. Is all it takes, so it's not too bad. It's quite weird. It kind of feels a bit rubberized, the remote itself. Ah, it's on. That's on. Still waiting for that to charge, so I'm just going to read through the manual. Turn that off until we're ready. But we'll catch up in a second. I'm pretty sure that manual said eat bacon until the battery's ready. Don't know if you can see that. That says charging period 5 to 7 hours. I might not wait that long because I'm getting bored waiting for that battery to get ready. I want to get it in there. So I might just give it a quick test. Charge it up. It's getting a bit dark now anyway, so I might have to do the actual trial run tomorrow, but I'll get it working at least tonight and show you guys what it can do once I've figured out everything. But I did look through the manual, see if there's anything regarding battery cut-offs. I can only presume it's got a LiPo cut-off switch in there. It doesn't say anything about stop using it after a while. But I think once we get the LiPo put in there, I'm going to be a lot happier. It'll last a lot longer and be a lot quicker to charge, because it says that you can only charge it off the USB charger, which is annoying. Yeah, I'll give it another few minutes and whack the battery in and see what it does. Yeah, I've had enough of waiting, so I'll get this battery in. Nowhere near charged, but I'm not going to wait. I suppose we'll try the smoker as well. It's just, I think they said 4 drops into this hole. I think that's about 4. Do one for luck, I guess. 5. I'll leave it a minute too, because I think there's a wool for the smoke to soak into. I don't want to burn the unit out just yet. That's probably going to happen tomorrow when I test it properly. Okay, just off screen I thought I'd put everything in, batteries, turn it on just to make sure that it works. And I'd noticed that only half of the display was showing on the controller. I then noticed that it was telling me that I had low batteries, so quickly recharging them. But yeah, hopefully that will solve it. If not, I'll get hold of customer care and ask them about that. No other issues that I've seen so far though. It seemed to move at least, but I just want to charge the other batteries just to make sure it's something I've not done or done wrong. I don't think I've done anything wrong yet though. You can't really go wrong so far. It's turn that on, wait for a beep. Then I noticed half the screen missing. But yeah, I'll get them charged and see what happens. I read the manual again and it said have a cup of tea whilst waiting for batteries to charge as well as bacon. Might as well put more charge in this one whilst I'm waiting for the other batteries as well. I guess quick shout out to Greedo as well, who started his own channel. Exodus Course RC. If you search through my subscriptions, subscribe channels, you should be able to find it there. I've subscribed to him. No, check it out. I think he's got a couple of videos up already. Yeah, keep going, man. I suppose another quick shout out to the other guys who have subscribed recently. I think Sam and Rasta. Cheers for subscribing. I'll try and keep on making at least some sort of reasonable content. Right, we'll try this again. Battery in. Okay, these tell me that they're now charged. It's kind of occurs to me it's very much like a PS2 or PlayStation controllers, whatever they're up to now, 3, 4. Right, so on with you. Tells me that it's paired. I don't know if you can see. Quite bright. Trying to get an angle that it wants to kind of focus in on and not be too bright. Don't know if you can make it out, but yeah, there's only half a display, the lower half showing there, so I think the only thing you can do with it really is put in a time and a password. So I guess I'll contact customer services just to make them aware, but it's not going to affect anything really. So these are forwards, reverse for each side tracks, and this is controls for everything else. So that's your main arm and bucket. That's our rotation, which leaves that to be the small arm. Well, that's pretty cool. so that's now pointing the wrong way. So reverse is forward, forward. Oh no, that's the right way. I know it's pretty dark outside, but with those lights I might give it a quick test, because that is cool. So yeah, you can kind of skid steer with it just using one of the tracks. You can turn on the spot by using opposites. That's turned round, so reverse is now forwards. So I'll get that round the right way, so now forwards is forward. I might paint like a little arrow on the tracks so I know which way is going to be forward and which way is going to be reverse. Button there, that's the sounds off. That should have had time to soak in. Let's see how we're going to get any smoke. We'll give it some sound as well. It is producing a bit of smoke. It's just difficult to pick up on the camera. But, well, I guess that's cool enough. Well, we'll call it there anyway for the unboxing, but thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye now.